So for my virtual field trip, I decided to explore the ocean. For my field trip that I'm going to be showing you guys today, it's kind of an overview of the ocean, but I thought in a classroom, you could either do an overview or if you wanted to dig deeper into individual parts, you could create multiple virtual field trips to even dig deeper and learn more about the ocean. So let's get started.
Today we are going to be exploring the ocean. I want you to tell me some things you think that you will find in the ocean.
So with this poll, I inserted it here to activate students' prior knowledge so I can get a feel of what they know, maybe what they don't know, so I can point out different things during the field trip. The whole goal for this field trip is kind of to have students work at their own pace, but with this poll I could maybe point out things before students get started and say, hey, maybe you want to check out this a little bit longer or look at this link or something like that. So this poll not only activates prior knowledge, but it gives me a sense of where my students are at.
Wow, you guys found a lot of things that are found in the ocean. Today, we're going to explore the ocean even deeper. I'm going to share things with you that you probably haven't even heard before. But first, let's take a look at this short video.
So here would be my introduction video. This would also get students engaged, ready to learn about the topic, in this case the ocean. If it'll play, I'll play a little short clip for you guys, but I won't play the whole thing just because I'm doing an overview. Let's see if I can get it to play here. Well, I can't find my mouse on the page. Oh, here it is.
The deep blue sea, untouched by man, a vast and beautiful world, so different from our own, but perhaps not so different as we think. The Great Barrier Reef, teeming with sea creatures of every shape and size, truly the metropolis of the sea. Thousands of fish swim briskly along the reef. Fish, the people of the sea. Like all fish, this one has gills which allow him to take in oxygen from the water.
So that's just a brief little video. Sorry, I'm on bad Wi-Fi, so it doesn't load very well. But that would just be my introduction video for students to get ready to explore the ocean on this virtual field trip. So then next.
The top area of this picture indicates sea creatures living in the sunlit zone. Sunlight reaches down to about 200 meters, or about 650 feet deep. Most sea creatures live in sunlit water. Sunlight reaches through shallow seas and upper waters of the open ocean. The middle area of this picture indicates sea creatures living in the twilight zone. Light becomes dim below 200 meters. The twilight zone reaches from here down to about 1,000 meters deep. The lowest area of this picture indicates sea creatures living in the midnight zone. No sunlight reaches below 1,000 meters, so the midnight zone is pitch black and extremely cold. The deepest parts of the ocean may be more than 4,000 meters deep. This far down is known as the abyss. There are also trenches where the ocean is deeper than 6,000 meters.
So then this next page here is children exploring the different animals of the ocean. So I have click on the pictures or speaker buttons below to find out more about each animal. So here students would click on a speaker.
Dolphins are small-toothed whales, intelligent and curious. They are friendly towards people. They have even rescued shipwreck survivors and helped them back to shore. Speedy swimmers, dolphins race along with long, low leaps. This is called porpoising. Dolphins stroke each other with their flippers to make friends. Dolphins live in groups called pods. These may join together to form a herd. There are dolphins in all the world's oceans except for icy polar waters. Using a language of clicks and squeaks, pods of dolphins find their way around the ocean. They organize fish hunts by sending messages to each other. To stun fish, they make a very loud noise. Dolphins can also leap high out of the water. They may do this to avoid predators or to herd fish by making loud splashes. Males sometimes leap to impress females.
So there, students just got a brief overview about the dolphin. They can also click, I have an octopus here, there's a whale here. This one they listen to the clip and then they watch a short video. These ones down here, the sea turtle, shark, and fish each have a video attached to them, so students can watch an informational video about the sea turtle, shark, or the different fish in the ocean.
Coral is built by tiny animals called polyps. Each builds a chalky, cup-shaped shelter to protect its soft body. The reef spreads as young polyps build new shelters on old ones. Different corals form a variety of amazing shapes and colors. Coral reefs teem in the daytime with beautiful and bizarre creatures. At night, many retreat into caves to rest. Different fish leave their hideouts to look for food. Seabed animals can survive along the lower seashore. Most live on the deeper seabed, where they are always underwater. These creatures often look like plants, but they are really animals. Click on the different coral and animals to find out more.
So now students have the option to go around and click on the different pieces of coral. I'll play a couple for you.
This is a rose coil. Scallops often make their home in rose coil.
So that was one about a coral. This one I have a challenge up here.
Can you find the hermit crab? I'll give you a hint. He's hiding in the bottom right-hand corner. Click on him for some more information.
So then students would try to find the hermit crab, and he doesn't have a speaker on him. That's why I called it a challenge. So he's actually down here, and once you hover over him, you can play and learn about him.
This is a hermit crab. Hermit crabs often make their homes inside the empty shells of other animals. They may also move into small caves in the coral reef.
So that was just some examples here. There's a fish up here that students can learn about. There's a starfish down here. There's some more coral here and up here. So basically on this page, students can just go around and they can click on the different corals and animals to find out more about the different things that they will see in a coral reef. So here I inserted another poll. This one says, what are things you would find on the ocean floor? So then here, students are going to make guesses of what different things that they would find on the ocean floor to lead into what's coming up next. So here I have a video about the ocean floor. So I would play this, and I'll just play you guys a little short clip of it. But I actually went through, I made this, I made a separate PowerPoint and I went through different slides, and children learn about volcanoes, rivers on the ocean floor, They learn about lakes on the ocean floor. They also learn about an underwater waterfall. So I'll just play a short clip of this.
The ocean floor is filled with many unique creatures and animals. But did you know that the ocean floor also contains lakes and rivers? That's right, the ocean has its own lakes and rivers. There are animals that only live in these lakes and rivers. In this picture, you can see that this pond has its own cliff and its own sandy beach. In this next picture, you can see Lake Rhine located on the ocean floor. Here is a picture of a scuba diver exploring a river located on the ocean floor. Not only does the ocean contain lakes and rivers, but it also has its own volcanoes. Almost 80% of all volcanoes are located in the ocean. Let's find out more.
Scientists believe that 80% of the volcanic eruptions on Earth.
So that's just, I didn't play all of the video, but you guys kind of get the gist. Like I said, they'll learn about volcanoes. They'll also learn about waterfalls later on. So here is a page for students to do more exploring. They can click on the different pictures and it'll take them to interactive sites where they can play games. This site down here, they can explore the Smithsonian Museum. They have an ocean museum in the Smithsonian. So if you click on that link, you can actually get a virtual tour of the museum. This one here is mainly just games. They can play different games, learning about a variety of animals and different ocean things. This one here is students will explore the ocean through a submarine. So it kind of takes them, the screen that they're looking at is that they're in a submarine, and then they can go around the ocean floor and click on different things, different animals, to find out more information about them. And then this one here is a whole website about the ocean. They can explore ocean life, the ecosystems, and there is a couple games on this website as well. So next I have another poll in here, and it says, let's create our own ocean floor. What materials do you think you will need to create an ocean floor? Brainstorm with your neighbor and share your answers on here. So with this poll, students would talk with their neighbors, they would brainstorm what kind of materials they would need to make their own ocean floor, like sand, rocks, shells, anything like that. So this is kind of an introduction to the project that the students are going to be doing.
For this activity, you will get to create your own ocean floor. Brainstorm materials you will need. Is your ocean floor going to have a sand bottom? Or will your ocean floor be created out of something totally different? What could these different materials be? What else is your ocean floor going to have? Feel free to talk and share with your neighbor. Once you have some ideas, create a rough sketch of your ocean floor. After you have created your sketch, share this with a neighbor. Are there any changes or additions to your sketch that you want to make? If not, feel free to explore and begin creating your own ocean floor. Materials will be located on the back counter in the room.
So here students will create. I'm almost out of time, so I'm going to go forward to the next page. Here I created my own ocean floor. As you can see, I have volcanoes, I have a mountain range, I have my waterfall, some shells, sand. This is my standard that I used. And then these are just my resources. Thanks for watching.